How does iNaturalist work? The simplest way to use iNaturalist, and the way most of us like to use it, is to make observations using the app. And you can do this in 3 simple steps. First, take a photo, or record a sound, of an organism using your mobile app. Next, the iNaturalist's computer vision provides suggestions for identification, or you can add your own identification. The app then automatically updates the date, time, and location of the observation using the GPS and data connection of your phone. You can also work offline to manually add these details and sync the observation later. Each uploaded observation is available to the iNaturalist community members, who can confirm, correct, or refine identifications. Observations with over 2/3 consensus on the identification are deemed research grade and shared with other databases. Congratulations! You have now completed the process to upload your observations. It's time to hit the road and start your citizen science journey. All the best!